Your house is slowly suffocating, and it's costing you hundreds of dollars in electricity. Here are 3 hidden filters you've probably never cleaned. Number 1. The dishwasher filter. Most people don't know this exists. If your dishes are coming out cloudy, twist this plastic screen at the bottom. Wash it with soap, and your machine will run like new. Number 2. The drain pump filter. If your clothes smell musty, open the small door at the bottom of your washer. Be careful, water will come out, but this trap catches coins, hair, and sludge that rot over time. Number 3. The range hood grease mesh. These metal grates above your stove trap grease. If they are sticky, they are a fire hazard. Soak them in boiling water and baking soda for 10 minutes to clear the lungs of your kitchen. Clean these every 6 months to save your appliances and your wallet. Your search ends here. Subscribe to The Answer Machine. We find the problems so you can fix them.